Good morning and welcome to MarineMax Ocean View, New Jersey. Today, we're here to take a look at our new 281 Grady-White Coastal Explorer. It's our first look at this boat. It's new product. We're excited to go through it, take a look at the outside. We'll jump inside and show you how we option this boat. Thank you. As we enter the 281 Coastal Fisherman, you can see there's nice seating aft. The backrest open so you can get on the swim platform. You have a live well underneath, storage on either side, a second live well in the tackle center, a sink, freshwater wash down, storage. This is a side gate that opens out electronically, very nice. The ladder is stored right inside that door. Your helm area with the joystick on this boat, the autopilot, ready for electronics. Footrest, nice bolster seats. The underside of the hardtop is color matched to the hull. Rod holders, spreader lights, nice head. Forward seating. We do have the cushion in the middle on this one. There's a windlass on this boat. This boat does have seating in front of the helm. Full windshield with a wiper. The underside of the hardtop again. Gunnels. Storage underneath. The backrests are electronic on both sides. Your handrails, rod holders, plenty of cup holders. Everything is very well done. Pop-up cleats, low profile handrail. This boat is new to us. Very happy with everything. This boat does have white 300s on it. It is available. It's here in Ocean View, New Jersey. Any questions, please give us a call. Thank you.